Launching projects is one thing. Staying on top of all deadlines is quite another. Now that you've got your projects and tasks up and running, let's discover how you can see the whole picture while making sure nothing falls through the cracks. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to visualize progress made with dashboards, customize or create your own dashboard, and receive status updates straight to your inbox. The dashboard view allows you to zoom out from the day-to-day task increments and quickly visualize the progress made on the tasks of your boards. It comprises widgets and charts that you can customize to fit your needs. Let's take a quick tour of some of the default widgets. First, the number widgets. These allow you to see at a glance how many tasks there are in total on the board, how many of these are completed or incomplete thus far, and how many tasks are overdue. With the bar graph, you can view the distribution of tasks among team members. Hover on a bar to read how many tasks have been assigned to a member. With the donut graph, you can see the proportion of tasks that have a high, medium, or low priority, or that have no priority set. Default widgets also include the volume of tasks by completion status, as well as the number of incomplete tasks by due date. Remember that in order to be included here, tasks should have a planned due date. What makes the dashboard really helpful is the ability to customize the widgets to visualize your own performance indicators. To view and edit the settings of a widget, click the menu icon here, then Edit. You can edit the widget name, change the chart type, and select a different data series. Apply one or many filters to refine the result. Drag and drop the widgets to change their position on the dashboard. To create a widget from scratch, click Add Widget. The dashboard view is a great tool to see your task's status update at a glance. Need a detailed review of your task's status across all your boards and projects? That's what the Summaries feature is designed for. Summaries are daily and weekly notifications that list the status of your tasks across boards and projects. In a single email, browse the tasks that are complete, the ones that are overdue, and those with an upcoming due date. Locate the project, board, owner, and due date of the task right inside the email. Notice that only tasks that have a planned due date will appear in this list. Click on the task to navigate straight to it. To include tasks from a board in your summaries, click the Subscribe icon on the board. Select Daily and/or Weekly Notifications. To set the day and time of the email delivery, head to your Profile section by clicking on your avatar, then Profile. In the Notifications tab, you can select the time you want to receive your daily summary, as well as the day and time you wish to receive your weekly summary. You can also check your summary in real time through your in-app notifications. Click the bell icon and open the summary notification. Filter tasks to refine them by project, due date, or owner. Stay tuned for the final tutorial in this series to find out how to manage permissions and collaborate in Excelway with total peace of mind.